Yeah, hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel, Mathematics Made Easy. All right, so in today's video, uh, we'll be finding the number of trillion zeros in 100 factorial. So this is a very important topic in number theory. Right, finding number of trillion zeros is a very interesting part of number theory, and it's commonly connected with factorials and then powers of 10. So the main idea behind the trillion zeros come from the factors of 10. You know, we have the factors of 10, which is 2 multiplied by 5. So since factorials usually contains more twos than what? Than fives. So we only count the number of what? Factors of 5. All right. And here is the general formula for the what? For number of trillion zeros of number. So we said n factorial is equal to the floor function of n over 5 plus the floor function of n over 25 plus the floor function of n over 125, okay, plus dot 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 dot. I know we all know what the floor function is, okay. Now for instance, we asked you to find the floor function of 3.142. So what are you going to get? You write the number before the point, okay. So floor function of 3.142 is what? 3. All right, so we have to find the floor function of 2.5. So what will be the answer? The floor function will be what? 2. That's number before the what? Before the decimal point. Are we together? And that's how you find the floor function. All right, guys, now not to waste much of our time, so let's dive into the solution. We have to find the number of trillion zeros of 100 factorial. Now I'm going to do that in mix of your formula, which is what? N factorial is equal to, floor function of n over 5 plus floor function of n over 25 plus floor function of n over 125 plus dot dot dot. All right, and let's do that now. Our n here is 100, so we say 100 factorial. So this will be equal to the floor function of 100 over 5, all right, plus the floor function of 100 over 25 plus the floor function of 100 over 125, right? Then plus dot 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 dot. Are we together? Plus dot 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 dot. Now, so this will be equal to what is 100 over 5? So that's floor function of 20 plus what is 100 over 25? That's 4. Floor function of 4. All right. Then what is 100 over 125? That's 0 point something, 0 point. Then don't forget I said you write the number before the point. So here, what will be the floor function of 100 over 25? 125. That is should be 0. Do you understand? Plus dot 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 dot. That is, we will be having more zeros, plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 to infinity, like that. So now floor function of 20. Since 20 is a whole number, so floor function of a whole number is what? Is that number? So we have 20 plus floor function of 4 will also be 4. Floor function of 0 points, so that will give us 0, and the remaining one will be what? 0 0 0 0 0. Now 20 plus 4 will give us what? That will give us 24. So that is the number of trillion zeros in 100 factorial. Alright guys, so that's that about that. So if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You like my videos, comment, and also share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.